Hello, it's Vinitech, and today we are reviewing Xdobo Vibe Plus, and very soon I'm going to bring the Xdobo BTML Boss, which is actually I tested once. It was better than JBL Flip 6 in sound quality and bass, though this is something comparable with the JBL, which are costing above 30,000, and it performs almost similar to Harman Kardon, those most premium speaker, but this are an affordable speaker. It's a budget speaker but delivers 80 watts. Today we are doing this. For those who didn't watch more for my unboxing, you can check at YouTube channel at Vinitech and you're going to see the unboxing. But today and right now, this video we are going just to base on the sound quality and sound capability. I want you to know that it's charging. Actually, this is a charging indicator, battery indicator. So when it's 4 bars, it means it's full. Right now it's charging, but we are doing this video just to test sound quality. So this is the on, this Xdobo mark, Xdobo symbol. So we are going to power it on right now, and here we have it. So I want to test the sound quality. So what I do, I'm going to connect to another device. I've not been having another device, and it has been sometimes difficult to test sound quality of most speakers because I didn't have a separate device that can play music. So I want to use normal without maybe applying the equalizer. And let's see. Let's go back now to sound testing. So it's normally. So that is it. So we have it. So these are 50% volume on the phone. So let me change the music. So if you want to increase volume of the speaker, maybe you can increase from here. So that is it. We have it. So that's maximum. So we can do, that's 50% volume. Let me do 75%. So that's 75%. And we have got 100. So that's 100. So here I'm doing a different music and see. So this so you can do less bass. So we have the woofer now. So that's the woofer. And now we have full range. So that's full volume. So we have here at 50% volume. So that's what you get. So you can change the lights, you can change the mode of the light. So you can have the light that matches the music that plays the rhythm, and you can have the light that is constantly lighting around, and then you can have it off if you maybe want to save the battery. Let me reduce the volume. So if you want to save the battery, you can switch off the disco lights, or you can switch it on, this basic light. This one matches with the rhythm, and now there's this one which lights full. It's always full, it doesn't go off. So we have it. That's the review of the sound quality of Xdobo Vibe Plus. So that is it.
We love you, Lord. Tunakupenda Bwana. Wanadamu hawezi. Unafanya mambo. Wanadamu hawezi. Unatoa faraja. Wanadamu hawezi. Wanaofananishi hufanya mambo ambayo wanadamu hawezi. Unatoa faraja ambayo wanadamu hawezi.
So this the pause button, this you can add equalizer, and so we have it. That's the sound quality. So you can review, you can watch and gauge it for yourself. Thank you for watching.